I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can find coupons for Bonkers Corner. Now, you can see here, I already have a website here that gives off a couple of Bonkers Corner coupon codes, right? So flat 15% off, flat 10% off, up to 40% off, new launches. And you can find all of these coupon codes on this website here, Grab On. But if you don't like this website in particular for one reason or another, of course, we can just use Google to search up Bonkers Corner coupon code. Now, there'll be a couple of websites here that you can find coupon code on. This is a pretty sizable business, it seems. Now, the way they make money with this kind of thing is that when someone buys something with their coupon code here, they get a referral code, right? And because of that, they'll make money. So, of course, they have every best interest to give you good coupon codes here, right? So, for example, here, this is a tesitime.com. You have 20% off, 50% off, extra 25% off, flat 26, flat 29, a lot, right? There's word ePenny. I'm pretty sure all of the websites here that shows up on Google is pretty legit, and all of the coupons should mostly work. There might be a couple of dots or expired coupon code here and there, but as long as you keep searching, I'm pretty sure it's just a couple of bad apples in the fresh batch. So just keep searching here. Now, if you want to show the code, just click on show code, and there you go. There's the coupon code. You can copy it to Bonkers Corner. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.